Oh no. What is this? Oh no. So I'm not quite sure, but I think that's some type of disease. And in today's video, we're gonna put out some DiseaseEX. Look at that little spot. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's something. It wasn't there a few days ago, but we had a lot of rain lately, so I'm gonna put out some DiseaseEX and tackle this issue now, whether it's something or not. Hey, it never hurts to put fungicide down, but we are going to put it at the curative rate and not the preventive rate. Alright, so we're going to use the, what is this, a Whiz? Is that the name of this thing? The Scott's Whiz spreader. It's a pretty nice little spreader. We got a small area, and it actually has the settings here, so I figured that I would go ahead and use it. You know, since it was already there. So if you see, the preventive rate is set it to 3 1/4, or for curative rate, set it to 4. Boom, we're at 4, and that's the rate ultimately that we shall go with. And then if you need to go with a preventive rate, it's right there, 3 1/4. So as you see here, I've got a Weight Watcher scale, which it comes very handy. But I'm doing this like I've got this little pitcher, and I'm putting the DiseaseEX in there, and I get to roughly a pound, and then I pour it in the spreader. But what I actually found later on is easier just to put the spreader on the scale and fill it up to the desired amount. Which in this case I used 4 pounds in the spreader. So I did 4 pounds in the spreader, which covers 1,000 square feet, and I just went over the area once with that, and then I put another 4 pounds, went over it again. So it put me at 8 pounds for the 2,000 square feet, which is the curative rate. And the granules are so small, it's really hard to see. But yeah, so we're gonna see if this clears up, and hopefully it doesn't get any worse. Alright guys, so I know there's not a lot to see here, but I just wanted to show you that I am having a few little issues in the line outside of it being completely thin. So we're going to get all this worked out through the next couple months. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a comment and a like. Subscribe for more videos as we follow along the journey. Appreciate it.